Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bigo Live app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on notifications. You just click here on notifications. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just scrolling down until you will find the recommended broadcasters. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going as my recommended broadcaster disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.